everybody, it's me, Anna Horwitz, the Customer Success Manager from ReviewTrackers. Welcome to our new installment of Cooking Up Your Online Reputation. Let's jump in. Hey everybody, and welcome to another installment of Cooking Up Your Online Reputation. So today we're going to be diving into a very tangy ingredient, and that is going to be your volume of reviews. So volume of reviews is a key component in your online reputation, along with how you are ranking on Google. Majority of consumers say, 69% of them to be exact, that reviews older than 3 months, they're viewing as irrelevant. So this is why it's very important to keep up with getting current reviews. Current reviews also are going to show potential customers that you're having people visit your business frequently and that you are engaging with them on a regular basis. So the big question is, how do you go about getting more reviews? Well, you ask for them. You can ask for reviews from your customers multiple different ways. You can ask at the point of sale in person. You're able to send email or SMS campaigns. You can have, review request links that are linked to your email signature or your website. There's so many different ways that you can request reviews from your customers. We see the most success from our customers when they automate these review requests because it's a set it and forget it type of experience. So, once it's all good to go, you really don't have to think about it anymore or worry about requests being sent because it's all being automated. And it also keeps it top of mind for the customer as well. So if you identify certain touch points in your business process or your workflow, you're then able to pick, which touch points will make sense for a review request to go out. And then in turn, have those emails or SMS campaigns sent. You'll definitely get more feedback since it will be top of mind for the customer. And I'm sure that you will also see more positive reviews flowing in. Another question that I get a lot is, will requesting reviews get my business more negative feedback? No. So we've seen through multiple different case studies with our customers that requesting reviews just gets them a much bigger market share of positive feedback. Their negative feedback either stayed the same or increased ever so slightly, not enough to do any damage. And we definitely saw just a huge increase in their average rating since they were getting more positive reviews. And that is what I have for you guys today. So if you have any questions for me or my team, definitely drop those questions in the comments. Like I've said many times, we're always here to help. So just reach out. And I hope that everyone has a great day. And be on the lookout for the next installment of Cooking Up Your Online Reputation.